Okay, hi, we're going to install Python, and what we need to do is open our browser, and we're going to python.org, so python.org, and it'll bring us into this site. See, this little button here is for launching an interactive shell. If you want to play with Python online and live, we can. So I just clicked on that. You can see there I've done a print hello world and return, and it prints the hello world. Okay, so I've got a little interactive shell there online if I want, but what we want to do is download it so we can use it remotely without the need for a browser. So we go to the downloads button, and you can choose the latest version, whatever the latest version is. When you get to look at this video, this is my latest version here. Okay, so, and they're asking at the bottom then, do you want to run or save it? We're going to look at running it. And we're asked to install now. Now, if you already have it on, you might be asked to upgrade now. What's really important here, just to save yourself a little bit of hassle with setting up paths and so on, is that we click this button, Add Python to Path. And then we're going to click Install now, and so on. Sorry, I have already got it installed, so I'm not going any further than that. But you carry on and install that. And what you also need to do is install a text editor such as Notepad++.